Welcome, Docker login command and browser authentication. Let's begin by authenticating with the Docker registry. We will run Docker login in the terminal, which will prompt a browser window to confirm our credentials. Login successful. Then login out and back in. Once the login succeeds, we have access to push and pull images. Here, we are just refreshing the session to ensure everything is connected properly. Navigating file directories. Now we need to locate our project files. Use the cd command to navigate into the specific folder where your Docker file and web resources are stored. Listing files and preparing for build. We verify our files are present. We can see the Docker file is ready. Now we are prepared to build our custom image. Typing the docker build command. Run the build command docker build followed by the -t flag to tag the image. We will name this issue 0202/cloud-web version 1.0. Don't forget the dot at the end for the current directory. Build process running and finishing. Docker is now executing the instructions in the Docker file. It's pulling the nginx base image and copying our web files into the container. Checking Docker images and verifying creation. The build is complete. Let's run Docker images to verify that our new cloud-web image is listed in the local repository. Creating the network. Before running the app, let's set up the infrastructure. First, create a custom network by running docker network create web-net, and this allows our containers to communicate securely. Creating the volume. Next, we create a volume for data persistence. Run docker volume, create web-logs, and we will use this to store our server logs outside the container. User attempting to run the container, fixing syntax errors, / line breaks. Now we need to run the container. And we are constructing a complex command here. We need to map port 8081 on our machine to port 80 in the container. And we also need to attack the web-net network we just created. And mount the web-logs volume to the nginx log directory. And it is important to be careful with syntax. When passing multi-dash line commands in PowerShell, as line breaks can sometimes cause errors. Next step, command finally succeeds. There we go. The command has executed successfully. And because we use the -d flag, the container is running in detect mode in the background, checking Docker PS and Docker desktop. We can confirm the container status by running Docker PS or checking the dashboard in Docker desktop. It looks like it is up and running. Opening browser localhost/8081. Finally, let's test the application. Open your browser and go to localhost/8081, and here is our custom nginx web server page. The deployment was successful.